Hello, dear students. I am your teacher. I will teach you class 9th mathematics in this year also, and we will finally start our chapter from the starting. Our first chapter is number system, chapter 1, number system. Numbers. What is numbers? Numbers that you know that money, counting for everything, and weights, everything is related to the numbers and system, because there is a lots of system in our surround of numbers, that is it is known as number system. So that there is many types of numbers. First one is a natural number. Natural numbers. Natural number is denoted by n, and the numbers which is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on infinity. This number is called natural numbers. Then after next number is the whole numbers. Whole number is denoted by capital W, and when we adding 0 in natural number only, so it become a whole numbers up to so on infinity. This number is called whole numbers. Then after next number is the, where is my duster? There is my duster. Next number is integers. What is the type of integer? Integers. What is integers? Integers is denoted by capital Z, and the numbers in number lines from left to right or left to left, right to left. Okay, integers, the numbers, the combination of whole. We can say that the combination of all whole numbers natural numbers and negative numbers is said to be as integers. Okay, so let's we check in our number line. Number line, this is called number line. Arrow is starting from infinity. We can say that it is on the left hand side, it is, we can say that it is minus infinity, and this one is the positive infinity number, and the center is 0, and from 0 to left side, 0 to before 0, we can say that before 0, these numbers are negative integers, and these numbers are positive integers. This is a integers. Next number is prime numbers. The numbers not divided by any another numbers as in form of natural in the form of natural numbers only, na? Otherwise 7 is also divided by 3, but sorry 2, but it is written 3.5. okay, you can divide it by 2, but you can write here 3.5, but it is not natural number. This means as in the form of natural number. Okay, and also we can say that, or another more definition, the numbers which has only prime factors of 1 and itself is known as prime number. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. There is a many numbers which can said to be as a prime numbers. The next one is the composite numbers. What is composite numbers? The numbers which is divided by many prime numbers. The numbers which is divided by many other prime numbers, or the numbers we can say that it is completed here, and or another definition is the numbers which has prime factors of more than two numbers is known as composite numbers. Okay, for examples 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These numbers are called composite numbers. Next one is rational number. What is rational number? The number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q never equals to 0. This number is known as rational number. All the natural numbers are natural numbers are rational number. Natural number, you know that. What is natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the all these below these numbers are, because we can write it 1 as a 1 by 1, 2 as a 2 by 1, and 3 by 3 by 1, up to so on. That is why all natural numbers are rational numbers. Okay, it can be expressed by P by Q form. Irrational numbers. Irrational number. What is irrational numbers? The numbers which can be not expressed in the form of P by Q is known as irrational numbers. Example: under root 2, under root 3, and all the numbers of under root pi. These numbers are called irrational numbers. Okay. Last one is the real numbers. What is real numbers? The combination of all the rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay, dear student, this is our first topic of chapter 1. These are the topics. By through this you can solve your exercise 1.1. Do it by yourself. It is your homework. Thank you so much for watching this video.